If your browser looks like a fortress, but acts like Swiss cheese, you're in for a shock. Arc browser recently launched with cutting-edge features that had everyone buzzing. But with great innovation comes great risk. One new feature was a goldmine for hackers. The problem? A security flaw that left users exposed. Hackers found a way to exploit this vulnerability, putting personal data at risk. Cybersecurity experts quickly noticed something was off. They compared Arc's security to other browsers and found it lacking. The hack was discovered when users started reporting strange activities. Panic spread, and Arc's developers scrambled to fix the issue. In the end, this incident taught a valuable lesson. Even the coolest innovations need rigorous security checks. Stay safe, stay informed, and share your thoughts on browser security in the comments. Check out our other videos for more on tech innovations and cybersecurity.